Tired of messy shoes cluttering your entryway or bedroom? Meet the SONGMICS 3-tier bamboo shoe rack bench, your new organization hero. Reason 1. This bench is seriously sturdy, holding up to 286 pounds. Sit, tie your shoes, or drop your bags. No wobbling, no worries. Reason 2. 3 spacious tiers mean room for everyone's shoes. Organized sneakers, boots, or slippers. No more tripping over piles. Reason 3. Compact design fits perfectly in tight entryways or bedrooms. Ideal for apartments, small homes, or busy family spaces. Made from eco-friendly bamboo, it's both durable and stylish. The sleek ink black finish matches any modern home decor. No more ugly plastic racks. Upgrade to something you'll love to show off. Assembly is a breeze. Clear instructions and all tools included. SONGMICS is trusted by over 20 million families worldwide. With over 965,000 5-star ratings, you know it's a winner. Perfect for home organizers who crave a tidy, welcoming entryway. Families will love the sturdy seat for kids and adults alike. Apartment dwellers, maximize your space without sacrificing style. Use it in your bathroom, bedroom, or hallway for extra storage. The bamboo construction is easy to clean and built to last. No more scrambling for shoes during busy mornings. Everything's in reach. The bench doubles as a comfy seat for putting on shoes. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to effortless organization. The minimalist design keeps your space looking fresh and modern. It's a smart solution for anyone who values both form and function. SONGMICS supports sustainability. Over 18,000 trees planted globally. You're making a stylish and eco-friendly choice for your home. The bench's compact size makes it easy to move and reposition. Perfect for seasonal shoe swaps or quick room refreshes. No more hunting for missing shoes. Everything stays organized. The 3 tiers hold plenty but never look bulky or crowded. Transform your entryway into a welcoming, organized space instantly. The bench is strong enough for daily use by the whole family. It's a great gift for new homeowners or apartment dwellers. Enjoy fast, free delivery with Amazon Prime. Get organized sooner. Thousands of happy customers rave about its quality and design. Upgrade your home with a bench that's both practical and beautiful. No more shoes scattered everywhere, just neat, tidy rows. The bamboo slats allow for airflow, keeping shoes fresh. The black finish resists scratches and looks great for years. It's the perfect blend of durability, style, and smart storage. Set it up in minutes. No handyman skills required. The bench is lightweight, yet feels solid and secure. Use it as a seat, a shoe rack, or both. It's versatile. Keep your entryway looking clean and inviting for guests. SONGMICS delivers innovative, functional solutions for modern homes. Join millions who trust SONGMICS for their home organization needs. Ready to declutter and upgrade your space? Click the link to shop now and experience the difference. Don't wait. This top-rated bench sells out fast. Make your home more organized, stylish, and welcoming today. Imagine never tripping over shoes again. Total game changer. Your entryway deserves the best. Choose SONGMICS for quality and value. Order now and enjoy a clutter-free, beautiful home in days. Take the first step toward effortless organization. Add to cart now. Trust the reviews, trust the brand. SONGMICS won't let you down. Transform your space, simplify your life. Get your SONGMICS bench today. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.